In today's lesson, we are going to rewrite horizontal addition problems vertically in the standard algorithm format. Math time. Do you know what time it is?
It's math time.
Do you know what time it is?
It's math time.
Do you know what time it is?
It's math time.
Do you know what time it is?
It's math time.
Math time. Math time. 28 plus 45. Okay guys, for this one, we're going to first write the number 28 by putting the tens digit in the tens column and the ones digit in the ones column. Now, something I like to do when I'm rewriting my problems is I like to make a little, like a horizontal line and a vertical line and label them as my tens and ones. And this will help me remember my place value. If this is something you don't need to worry about making it. But if it's something you do need, I would recommend you draw this vertical line and this horizontal line. It kind of makes like a upside down T, and you can use it for your place value. So we're going to write 28 by putting the tens digit in the tens column and the ones digit in the ones column, like so. 2 tens and 8 ones. Then we're going to add 45 by again putting the 4, that's the tens digit, the 4, into the tens column, and the ones digit into the ones column. So 4 tens and 5 ones. Now, don't forget your plus sign. And I like to trace over this part and make my equals bar. So I have 28 plus 45 equals something. Now I can solve this just like I did last week by adding my ones first. 8 plus 5. And that makes 13. 13 is a 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to carry my 10 up here. And I'm going to have my 3 ones in the ones column in the sum. Now I'm going to add my 10, my 2 tens, and my 4 tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 4 tens. I know that 1 plus 2 is 3, and I'm going to bring down my 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7 tens. 28 plus 45 equals 73. For this one, I have 25 plus 8. Again, we're going to rewrite the problem in the vertical algorithm. We're going to put 25 first. We're going to have 2 tens and 5 ones. So we need to put the tens in the tens column and the ones in the ones column. And then with this one, it's just 8. It's only 8 ones. There's no tens. So we don't need to do anything over here. But we do need to put our 8 in the ones column. Remember, don't forget your plus sign and write your equals bar. And the reason why we're doing that is if we didn't have this guide to help us, it would look like this. 25 plus 8 with our equals bar. You can't forget that equals bar. It's very important when you're doing vertical addition. Okay, now we can add 5 ones plus 8 ones. Okay, if you don't want to do 5 plus 8 like this and do 13, if you want to draw dots for your ones, go ahead and draw dots. And let's do that now. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, you can draw circles instead of dots. So there's 5. and then we're going to do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's a 10. And it looks like I have 3 ones left over. I'm going to put my 3 ones down here. I'm going to remember to carry my 10 into the tens column. Now I have 1 10 plus 2 10s. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And if you don't want to do that and you want to draw your 10s instead, remember that 10s look like this. So there I drew 1 and 2 more. That made 3 10s. Write your 10s in the tens column. 3 10s, 3 1s makes 33. So 25 plus 8 is 33. $37 plus 10. Start with your first number, 37. It's 3 10s and 7 1s. So we need to put 3 in the tens column and 7 in the ones column. Next we have 10. That is a 10 and 0 1s. So you need to write 1 10 in the tens column and 0 1s in the ones column. Remember to have a plus sign and an equals bar. Now, like I said, you can do this 2 different ways. You can write 7 plus 0 equals 7. And, oh, there's nothing to carry because we didn't make a 10. Or we can draw circles or dots and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 0. I can't make a 10, so I just have 7 circles or dots written here. So I'm going to put my 7 in the tens place. And then I'm going to add my 10s. 3 plus 1 equals 4 10s. Or you can draw 10s. Here's 1, 2, 3 10s plus 1 more. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s is the same as 40. 4 10s, 7 1s is 47. 37 plus 10 equals 47. $25 plus 45. All right, we're going to rewrite this one, starting with 25. 25 is 2 10s and 5 1s. So we're going to write 2 10s in the tens column and 5 1s in the ones column. And then here we have 45. 45 is 4 10s and 5 1s. 4 in the tens column, 5 in the ones column. Remember your plus sign and your equals bar. Okay, first we're going to add our ones. 5 plus 5. I think we all know what 5 plus 5 is. It makes 10. If you didn't know that and you needed to draw circles or dots, that's fine too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That made a 10. We have 0 1s left over, so we're going to write a 0. And since we made a 10, we're going to put that 10 in the tens column. We have 1 10 plus 2 10s plus 4 10s. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 more. That's 7. Remember, if you want to draw your 10s, 10s are those sticks. So we have 1 stick plus 2 more plus 4 more. Count your 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s is the same as 70. So I write 7 10s and 0 1s. I have 70 plus 0, 70. So 25 plus 45 equals 70. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. Good luck on your homework today, and I will see you next time. Bye!